everybody, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be turning frozen kitchen scraps into homemade vegetable broth. Now today I have about half a pound of assorted veggies, including mushroom stems, celery, carrot, and onion. Traditionally this recipe calls for a pound of vegetables to a gallon of water, so I'm going to be making a half batch today or a half gallon recipe. I will also be adding salt and herbs to elevate this stock, as well as making a video using fresh ingredients and different techniques to add more body and depth of flavor to the stock. This video is going to be short and sweet, but I do find this information extremely helpful in a way that's going to maximize your ingredients and save you a little bit of money at the store. So I have my half pound of frozen veggies here. I'm going to add that to the pot. I have about 4 grams of salt here. It's about half a teaspoon. Some assorted herbs from my garden. I have bay leaf, I have thyme, and I have parsley stems in here. I'm gonna add all that to there, and half a gallon of water. Alright, I'm gonna bring that pot up to a boil, and then reduce it to a simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now we're going to lower that temperature down to a simmer. And now the cooking time starts. So that's why it's about 30 to 40 minutes. It takes about 40 minutes complete cook time, 30 minutes or so after it's come up to a slow boil and now brought down to a simmer. My vegetable stock has been simmering for about 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and strain it into a smaller pot and pour it into a couple containers to cool. Alright, I ended up with 2 quarts or about half a gallon of vegetable stock. I'm going to cool this down completely before putting it in my fridge, where it will last for about a week. Another cool trick to do if you have a larger batch or if you want to get more longevity out of your stock is to freeze it into ice trays. Then you can add it to your soups at a later date and it'll keep for a lot longer. I hope you liked the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe and check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/NickBecomesAChef.